Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
For an easy veg egg soup, start by assembling precise ingredients. 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrot, peas, corn, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 tsp cornstarch, 2 tablespoon cold water, 1 green onion, and 1/4 tsp salt. Chop the green onion finely and separate whites if you prefer finer ribbons. Whisk the eggs lightly until homogeneous, and dissolve the cornstarch in 2 tablespoon cold water to create a clear slurry that will thicken the broth. Heat a medium pot over medium heat and pour in 4 cups vegetable broth. Add 1 cup mixed vegetables and bring to a gentle boil. Reduce to a simmer and season with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1/4 tsp salt, and black pepper to taste. Taste and adjust seasoning now because flavors concentrate after thickening. Slowly stir in the cornstarch slurry you prepared, continuing to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the broth becomes slightly glossy and coats the back of a spoon, keeping the consistency light. With the base simmering, whisk 2 large eggs until smooth and either drizzle the eggs in a thin stream while stirring counterclockwise for ribbons or pour while stirring rapidly for fine egg threads. This will take 10 to 20 seconds. Immediately turn off the heat and add the chopped green onion so the residual heat finishes setting the eggs, about 30 seconds, preserving a silky texture. Taste and adjust salt or soy sauce, then ladle into 2 to 3 bowls. Garnish with extra green onion or a tiny drizzle of sesame oil and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.